also going to record.
You're going to record too? She's recording too. Look at my hair. That's her hair. Wow, this is what my hair's looking like.
You want to take a picture like me?
Mm-hmm, yes.
Take a picture.
What do you mean take a picture? I'm taking video. Little
Hello.
angel. Hello.
I got a present. Look at my present. Look at my present.
Sure, let me see your present. Sorry, I'm so distracted right now, but it's the first of the month, December 1st. It's I should be showing even my baby boy. He's turning 2 months tomorrow. Here's my baby girl. She's gotten so big, 2.5. How old are you?
I don't know.
You don't know. I just said 2.5. You're 2. Remember? Anyways, this is what my hair is looking like today. I'm gonna keep it short because I'm kind of busy today. I apologize. I just gave myself a haircut, I think 2 days ago. Cut it on the sides, left the top big. And how's it looking? It's been 10 years now. More than 10 years. I keep saying 10 years in every video this year.
Yeah.
What, you want to tap my head? Do
Here's your present.
Thank
And
you.
here's my present.
Wow, so good. Love you.